there's a trim clip right here, and right here. Just going to use an interior trim tool. Remove these clips. There should be a trim clip right here. Just remove that one. And remove this one over here as well. And then just grab this panel. This panel is clipped in right there, and right there. All right, slide this panel out of the way. Take this wire retainer out of the way. Just slide that out. Then use a 10mm socket. Take these two nuts off. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab. Just use a pocket screwdriver if you need to, push down on the tab. Slide it out. And there's a rubber grommet right here. Just try to push that through. Just like that. And grab the taillight. Try to pull it out. Sometimes you need to use a trim tool to try to pop this out. Just be careful. You don't want to scratch the paint. And slide it out. Take these out. Normally these are test bulbs, so you want to throw those out, put some new bulbs in. And slide that in position. Take this one out. Or you can swap them from your old one. Slide the wire through here. You can push the rubber grommet through. That's good. Now there's a pin right here. I'm going to slide that there, and then there's a little tab right here. I'm going to make sure that's lined up. And just give it a push. And that's good. Take the two nuts, get those started, tighten those down. This wire retainer, just put it over that stud and reconnect the connector. Slide this panel back in place. Reinstall the push pins. And right there also. Now I'll line this trim panel up. Might be a little bit tricky, and then take the push pin, put the push pin in on this side and on that side.